Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Zeus Tech. Today in this video we're going to be learning how to start using Python programs. Python is a very powerful language which is used by web scientists and data scientists and people who just want to be able to have big numbers and big problems solved. It's very powerful and very useful. But if you haven't seen the last two videos that were about how to download PyCharm and Python, and how that was the first video, and second video on how to make packages, files, and projects, then please check those out because you'll be needing those to even start this, unless you already know how to make all those. Now that we're in Python, we want to be able to do many things. So the simplest program is printing hello world. If you ever start programming by teacher Null, this is probably the first thing they teach you. Hello world. And it may be in many different ways. It's up to the teacher, I guess. And you see here it prints hello world. Python has multiple different functions and is able to do many things. So let's do something. Let's understand the print function. This thing. This print function is meant for putting stuff here. So say that we print like hello. My name is Josh. Then we run this. Then we can print that. And there's multiple different types of ways you can print stuff. You can print letters, or as in Python we call them strings. You can print numbers, or in Python we call them integers. There's many different things. And for strings or letters and text and all, you use quotations, single or double, up to you. For numbers or integers, you don't do any quotations. You just write down any number you want, and let's put like 120. And if you run it, it'll print 120. So this is just the smallest thing and basic thing about Python, print functions. But say that we wanted to print both a number and a letter, but we wanted to keep a value. If we put a number inside of a string, it doesn't keep its value. Now it's a string, and we don't want that. We want to be able to do this and keep its value. But say that we also want a string, like maybe we can have 12, and my age is. You see here, there's an error, and the end of statement expected. Most of the times you will understand the errors, but in this case, the main problem is that to separate them, you need to add a comma. And once you have the comma, we can run it, and you see my age is 12. This is simple programs in Python and what you can do with print functions. So I'm thinking that I'll make this into a series. Tell me what you think in the comments. And yeah, so I'm thinking of making this into a series, and I think that it will be good for the channel for people who want to learn what Python is and how it works. So if you like this video, then please leave with a like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications to know whenever I post a new video, and comment down below how this video was. Thanks so much.